Ever found yourself in that awkward social media stalemate where you've both blocked each other on Instagram? Well, today we're cracking the code on how to reconnect when direct unblocking is off the table. The tricky part is, when you block someone, they disappear from your DMs and searches, and vice versa. Instagram's designed it, so you can't directly unblock someone if they've also blocked you. It's like a digital double lockout. So how do we sidestep this? The most common and effective workaround involves a little teamwork: a mutual friend, someone you both follow and who follows both of you. Here's step 1. Ask your mutual friend to initiate a new group chat. Make sure they invite both you and the person you're looking to reconnect with. Remember to tell your friend what you're trying to achieve beforehand. Once the group chat is created, you should see both your profile and the other person's profile appear within the chat. Participants, this is your window of opportunity. From within this group chat, you can now send a message to the other person since you're all in the same conversation. Instagram allows you to initiate contact, effectively bypassing the block. Once you've sent your initial message, the other person should receive it. They can then reply directly to you within the group chat. From there, you can both choose to unfollow, or, if you prefer to continue your conversation privately, you can send them a direct message from your profile. Again, now that the initial contact has been made. If a mutual friend isn't an option, or you're seeking a completely fresh start, creating a new Instagram account is your alternative. This bypasses any existing blocks entirely. Simply create a new profile, search for the person you want to reconnect with, and send them a follow request. Once they accept, you'll be able to communicate freely again. So there you have it, 2 reliable ways to break the ice when you're in a double-blocked Instagram situation. Choose the method that best suits your situation and get back to connecting.